My name is Caryn Adams. I'm the managing partner at the Gasper Law Group. I have friends all the time that say, wouldn't you rather represent an innocent person than a guilty person, or vice versa? Isn't it easier to represent a guilty person and go through the motions than an innocent person where you have to really care? And the answer is, you have to give the exact same service to both the innocent and the guilty, because you cannot care as an attorney whether your client is innocent or guilty. You have to care about the person, because the person is worthy of being defended, and the government always needs to be held accountable, regardless of whether the person is innocent or guilty. That person is relying on you to make sure that the government did its job, to make sure that they are protected, to make sure that if they have to be punished, they are only punished to the extent that they are actually guilty, and at all times to have that person, that defense attorney, stand between them and the government and make sure that their worth as a human is upheld and valued. We certainly don't require it, but we have some clients that have given us lovely thank you gifts after the fact. I keep every single one of the thank you cards that I get from clients, and I have a shelf in my office where all of those thank yous are displayed, and I have it right next to my monitor, so that if I'm having a difficult day, or if I've encountered a difficult DA, and there are some difficult DAs, I can look over at the shelf of thank you cards, and it gives me a boost to know that this is a physical representation of people whose lives I've improved. I tell people all the time when they come to see me, there's no situation in life that is like being accused of a criminal offense, whether you've done something or not. There is no other situation that will make you feel as vulnerable, make you feel as though your humanity is being stripped away, as being accused of a criminal offense where it feels like the police are saying you did this, and the DA is saying you did this, and the judge, who should be neutral, it feels a heck of a lot like the judge is saying you did this. In addition to that, you get community weight, so fears about, well, what will my employers say? What will my friends say? What will my family say? Who's going to stand next to me as I go through this? But I get to be that person. I get to stand next to them and say, look, there's life on the other side of this, and it's gonna be good. We just have to get there, and we're gonna get there one step at a time, and we're gonna do it together.